Panasonic microwave model NN-SE785S error codes. Cook, reheat or defrost foods efficiently with this 1.6 cubic feet Panasonic microwave. Inverter technology and auto-adjusting power levels ensure even heating from edge to edge, while intuitive controls and 20 preset options simplify operation. This stainless steel 1250W Panasonic microwave has a generous 15-inch glass turntable to handle larger plates and bowls. Error codes. Code H99. Problem: Inverter on-off control error. Code H98. Problem: Magnetron no oscillation error. Code H97. Problem: Inverter input error. Code H96. Problem: Inverter custom IC error. Code H95. Problem: Inverter input failure. Code H90. Problem: Power down controlled by inverter thermistor. Code H44. Problem: Keyboard switch failure. Code H39. Problem: Steam heater thermistor failure. Code H32. Problem: Magnetron thermistor failure. Code H30. Problem: Oven thermistor failure. Code H02. Problem: Memory IC error. It is able to show up both in test mode and cooking mode. Code H00. Problem: RAM failure. It is able to show up both in test mode and cooking mode. Code H20. Problem: Steam heater open error. Code U14. Problem: No water during steam cooking. It is able to show up both in test mode and cooking mode. Code U40. Problem: No load operation. Code U65. Problem: Power down controlled by Magnetron thermistor.